friends. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nathan, Brand Ambassador, the Free University Project. This is an initiative by my incredible Japanese friends, Professor Kazuhiro and Mr. Kosei, to export Japanese education to the most disadvantaged communities worldwide, with the view of helping them to achieve economic empowerment and to be creative. I implore everyone out there to support this project, because it's going to help a lot of young people, most especially the youth. It will protect them from being brainwashed by politicians, rather it will also help them to focus on aspects that can help them to empower their local communities. Thank you so much for this project. It's going to help so many Ugandans. It's going to help so many social groups, women, widows, orphans, and even kids who have failed to achieve tertiary or higher education. I appeal to all people out there, the end users, to be ready to invest in this initiative in terms of investing into internet, because this project is only beneficiary as long as you are able to afford YouTube. It's a very beautiful project. It's going to support so many beautiful people. It's an incredible project. I appeal to the local authorities to welcome this project and support it. I look forward to liaising with my partners and meeting so many coordinators, chapter coordinators out there. Thank you so much. I look forward to working with all of you. Nathan is my name once again. Bye-bye.